What up, y'all? What's going on? So today is Saturday. I'm not gonna be dropping a swap today, because I have Easter tomorrow here. There's gonna be people here, so I don't want to make all you mess and all that. So I'm actually just gonna be pushing the car forward because I need this. My wife needs a spot for the kids and stuff, and I'm just gonna take off just the bumper and fenders, so everything could just be off and be ready. And pretty much that's it. I'm just gonna put the wheels back on, put the low control bar on bolt back on, and not do too much because that's literally all I have to do because I can't really do too much. So yeah, I'm gonna eat real quick. Then I gotta go get a haircut because Jesus, I look bad. So yeah, that's what's happening today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna obviously both fenders, bumper. I'll move the hood on because if it rains and stuff like that. I'm just gonna put the low control on, bolt through the little ball joint, hand tighten this just for now because it's fine. Put my wheels on and I'm gonna push her up over there. Hello. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, wheels back on. Now just take off these 3 bolts, the 2 on the door. The same thing for that side, and I'm gonna take off the headlights also too. Just take everything off at once. Gonna be taking off my headlight harness also, which you guys can see. Have it run through here. Plug in there, go all the way around. Alright, so as you can see, everything's off. Headlight harness is, off. Just got it holding on by one bolt right there. Yeah, that's basically all I could do for right now. Yo, what up, guys? Vlogging officially again on the Sony. Keep that peep. Out of the tripod. Been long overdue. So the thing was, I didn't know what lens to get. I was debating on like what lens to get because yeah, I didn't know what lens to get. I wanted to get like a little bit of a wider angle so I could record, stuff to be a little bit easier. But my boy Percy, shout out to my boy Percy, he was telling me, he was showing me like the lenses and stuff, and it wasn't worth it. A little bit of a more like wide angle was like $800 for a lens, and I was like, fuck that. So let me fix this ISO. Yeah, so I have this bin right here. Oh, dirty. What the hell? Yeah, so I got this bin that my... Why does it look like that? I got this bin that my boy dropped off for his motor because we're going to take it out and put some parts in it, whatever, so you can take it. And I have a dolly in there also. And this is the Civic, so you guys already know I got to push my Civic back there. And yeah, basically I got to stop. I got a little tripod thing, so I got to just hold it from the tripod now. Yeah, that's what's basically going on with today. Damn, it feels crazy. Why I look like that? I look super white. But anyways, it's been crazy. I feel like it's been a long time since I've been able to use this camera. And I'm excited. So yeah, let's drop this motor. because we're definitely gonna need that for this motor. And yeah, let's get to it. This time I got power tools too, and I just got another Milwaukee like 3/8 small gun. My dad has an impact gun, so this one should be pretty easy to do now. Alright, got everything off on this side. Axle is already out here. Pull out from there and do the other side and continue on the work. So I don't have like a long flathead to take out the axle, so I'm trying to figure something out. My dad went to go see if he found something, so I'm gonna just try to, for right now, let's try disconnecting the shift linkage also. Alright, so we finally got the bitch pin, which is called the bitch pin for a reason. So it took us like 40 minutes. That thing was rusted, corroded. Got the shift linkage out, got the axles out, everything is out. Got the got the 3 bolts from the T-bracket in the back. Gotta get the other one that's on, like, you know, the top side to take out the T-bracket, and then to take the T-bracket out the way so we can just be able to drop it, and yeah, should be good to go after that. Then we're just gonna drop the car, put the dolly on. Well, I gotta actually use a Steely on the jack, and yeah. Alright, so everything is out. We just had an issue with this back mount, which looks like, let me see, zoom in. This looks like in there probably got stripped, so the bolt's not able to come out. But we already took out the T-bracket. You guys can see the T-bracket is already out, so nothing is holding onto the motor. So we're gonna just now put the dolly lower and be able to take it out. This axle we couldn't take out also either. Why is it so dark? We wasn't able to take out this axle out either because we don't have the big like flathead. So we're just gonna leave the axle on there, and then when the motor comes out, we'll just take it out with it. The dolly's here. That's a Milwaukee bad boy. Yeah, so about it. Once we take this out, it should be good. Damn. I gotta see how it looks on the computer, but I feel like this camera lighting is being weird right now. Alright, that's it. She's ready to drop. Alright, engine is basically on the dolly. I'm gonna take these 3 bolts out, take those out. We're good to go.
That means extraordinary.
So you guys don't know I had a clunking issue, right? Always hearing like a clunk, 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 clunk. It's a piece of the motor mount. It's just completely eBay mounts. Yo. We're not doing no more eBay shit on this one. Dude. That's funny. Alright. Continue working we go. Alright, doing this the getaway because I was waiting on engine stand, but it's not gonna make it on time, so we're using a Steely and a jack. That's how we're gonna make this bitch come out, just like last time. So watch how we do this. Alright, she's out the car. Ready for my boy to pick up. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Damn, this lenses. But the screen makes everything look dark, but yeah, that's it for today. Packed everything up, just put the car back. And yeah, gonna be calling it a day. Don't have anything else to do. Next week I'll just start taking off the brake booster, you know, little stuff like that. But I'm done for today. I'm chilling. I don't want to overwork myself. Yesterday I banged my elbow so hard on the wall that I can't even like pick my hand up all the way like this. It's literally just killing me. So yeah, just gonna, I guess, finish off the day like this. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys are ready. And we got big plans for this car. We got a lot of things we're gonna be doing to it. So I hope you guys stick around, are ready for the new content. If you're new, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe also. I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway. So if you want to win a turbo, actually when I get inside my house, I'll show you guys exactly the turbo that I have that I'm going to be giving away and how to win that turbo. It's a free turbo. You guys can just win it. Show you guys the details when I get inside. Alright guys, before I close the video, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Max Speedy Rods. They are giving me, well, they gave me a turbo to give away to one of you guys. Subscriber, follow, whatever. But gotta give you guys a rule to be able to win this giveaway. All right, so the rules are: once I post up the picture, you guys have to be following me on Instagram. That's number 1. 2, follow Max Speedy Rods on Instagram. I'll put everything down here on the screen. And 3, when I post up the picture, you guys must tag at least 2 friends down in the comments down below, and I will be picking somebody. I'll say maybe in about 5 days, a week. And then I'll go, I guess, on Instagram Live and pick out the winner for the turbo. Let me show you guys the turbo you guys are going to be winning. So this bad boy here is from the Max Speedy Rods. Check out the size of this turbo. This thing is huge. Check that out. Check this bad boy out. So this is a this is not a ball bearing. This is a journal bearing, just to let you guys know. This is a GT3582, which is a pretty, I mean, this thing is, I mean, look at my hand. This thing is a good size, pretty big. So, one of you guys could be the lucky winner to this turbo right here. One of you guys could be the lucky winner to this brand new turbo. All you have to do is follow the rules, and you guys could be able to win of this turbo. So it has the anti-surge housing. It says it's a journal bearing, but it's a pretty big size turbo. It's bigger than the turbo that I had on my Civic, that's for sure. So if you guys want to win this, make sure to follow the rules when I post up the picture, and good luck to everybody. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy, and stay tuned this week. Don't miss out for the free giveaway. Peace out.